pray that I need a miracle. Hurry up, I need a miracle. Stranded, reaching out. Call your name, but you're not around.
Yeah.
I say your name, but you're not around.
If you know the words, join in, let's go.
I need you, I need you, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most.
So,
Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down.
yo,
Don't let me down, don't let me down.
I wish you would, I wish I could read your mind 1,000 times and do the things I should. I need you more than ever before. Don't let me down without you around. I'll always reach for more, let's go.
Running out of time. Always loved you by my side.
Let's clap around, come on, let's go.
There's nobody by my side.
Yes.
Need you, I need you, I need you right now. I need you right now. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most.
So,
Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down.
yo,
Don't let me down, don't let me
I
down.
think I hope you say true to me. Everything you do, please, like you do to me. I think it's all in my head. Darling, I hope that you stay me when I need you the most. I call your name, but you're not around. Screaming out loud, but not making a sound. My people never touch the ground, I'm singing. I wish you would, I wish I could read your mind 1,000 times and do the things I should. I need you more than ever before. Don't let me down without you around. I'll always reach for more, I'm singing. Cause it feels like minds of prison closing in on me. And it feels like everything that happens to me. Cause I need you, I need you, I need you right now.
I need you right now. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most.
Let's go, come on. Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down.
Don't let me down.
Cause it feels like minds of prison closing in on me. And it feels like everything that happens to me. And it feels like minds of prison closing in on me. And it feels like everything that happens to me. Make some noise, guys.
Don't let me down.
Thank you for having us tonight. Thank you.
Wow, Katie Vibez. Kelly, what did you think?
I think that's the best we've seen you both. I mean, I don't know like what's happened, but everything that you did tonight was up another level from anything you've done previously. Like Kel, I don't know what's with you this season, but your confidence has just skyrocketed, and that's really coming out your performances. I'm loving the dress sense. I think we're finally seeing you this season. And your rapping skills then were the fastest, the best. I think you showed your better rapping skills off then. But the energy, the confidence, everything you had then was just absolutely amazing. You really brought it. That was a fantastic way to open tonight, wasn't it? Well done, guys.
Zoe, what did you think?
Well, you had such an outstanding audition. I was worried how you were gonna like top it, but oh my god, you topped it and more. Like together, like individually, you're both so talented individuals, but like when you come together, you are literally unstoppable. Like Kelly, it was nice to hear like the more lower part of your range as well. Like it was really lovely. Obviously, we know you can get up there and belt. I love the contrast between the verses and the choruses as well. Like we brought it back down a bit in the verses, and then the chorus comes and we brought like partying, and it was mad. And the pre-choruses, like I loved like the rapping over the singing. It just added so much to the texture. Like it was nice and thick. I loved it. The energy was phenomenal, and yeah, it was a brilliant performance. Well done.
Trav, first time seeing her, I'm guessing?
Very first time. First time that matters, really. I've seen you guys like online and everything, but you don't get the true feel of what a performer could do until you've seen them live and you felt that passion in front of you. And passion is the word. You guys, you ooze passion. When I could see how much you guys love what you're doing, regardless of nerves. I want to thank both of you for having the courage to, first of all, open this show up tonight. It's not an easy thing to open a competition up, especially in the second week. You guys took the roof off this joint, almost literally. Especially you, my dear. You the dynamic that you guys have together, your vocals and your dynamics, they blend together so perfectly and beautifully. How you get your words across in such a beautiful way, and your incredible vocal ability, your vocal range. You guys are born performers, and the fact that you can come together and make such a fantastic performances together, it speaks not only for your abilities as performers, but also as people and your connection in real life. It's truly something special. Thank you.
But genuine now, like, I'm a bit shocked actually, both, because that to me, I know, like, obviously, like, this is a competition and it's about stepping up a little bit like that, but when you got into the middle half of that and the energy came to life, and Kel and you just blew the roof off there as a performer and a vocalist too then, when that came together, like after the shaky wobble, the mic was off in the beginning, when you came into it, that generally became, to me, the best performance I've ever seen you do. It was so driven and so committed to wanting to literally nail the song, that to me, that could have been, because I don't know how you're going to top that now. Because that's what level you put that on for me then. No, literally both of you. That wasn't just stepping up from last week. That to me, that you could have been performing that at the end of this process. That's what level to me that was on. It was current. You took a very popular current song, but you made it KD vibes, and it worked so well. Literally, that was outstanding. You should both be really proud of yourself. That's a complete different level up. That is. Well done.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.